Have you ever wondered why some English phrases just sound right? Today, we're exploring daily collocations that native speakers use all the time. Collocations are word combinations that frequently go together. For example, we say make a decision, not do a decision. This natural pairing helps English sound fluent and smooth. Research from the Oxford English Corpus shows that mastering collocations improves comprehension. It also helps learners avoid awkward or incorrect phrases. This is why collocations are key in daily communication. Common collocations include take a break, strong coffee, and heavy rain. These combinations are used by native speakers every day. Recognizing them boosts your listening and speaking skills. In summary, understanding collocations helps you sound more natural. It's an essential part of becoming fluent in English. Keep noticing these word pairs in your daily practice.